All right, I've got my microphone pointed at my keyboard here. It's real close. It's just, see where my finger is? It's just over here. Tapping it, you can hear that. So it's been a while since I've done a typing test, and this is all new switches, the latest design, and all new keycaps. So I thought I'd do a quick little test here with a screen recording. And as you can see, I've got camera up here recording the keyboard as I type. So let's give this a go. I'm not good at typing that one. All right, that concludes this sound test.